Monday, September 15th, Gonen's Bridge. Leave it for the torches, lads, and make haste for Gonen. Kruniak's words soon spread through the entire camp, and men began hurrying in all directions. Moments before, the runner sent to warn Tallow had returned, only to tell us that Tallow, along with every other village and town along the northern border of Forest Heart, had been ravaged by the undead. Even worse, the enemy is amassing a huge army less than a day's march from here. Kruniak believes they are coming to recapture the keep. The commander has sent me and a group of dwarves ahead of our main force to stuff Gonen like a turkey. I was unsure of his meaning until we reached Gonen's Bridge, and the dwarves began to load the bridge with satchel charges. Apparently, he plans to destroy the bridge behind us once we are all across, to make pursuit more difficult. Kruniak and some other men stayed behind to put the keep to the torch, thus preventing it from falling back into the hands of the enemy. As we began our ascent into the foothills of Cloudspine, I turned back and saw the blaze well underway. And that is when I noticed movement around the keep. I thought I knew what fear was, or that I had known fear. I was wrong. This night I have experienced true fear. The army of the dark is upon us, and it has no end. They march toward us shoulder to shoulder for as far as the eye can see. The very earth must be crying out at the damnable weight of them.
There's nothing you can do for him.
He's dead, Garrick.
If we don't get moving, that horde is going to be on top of us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Your orders, sir. Got it. Move over. We're moving. Yes, we're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Step aside. We're moving. Yes, yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Stand clear. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Ready. Yes. Sir? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Got it. We're moving. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ready.
What?
Yes, sir. Sir, let's get him. Move over. Yes, sir. Got it. We're moving. Got it. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Got it. Your orders, sir. We're moving. Hey! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're on it.
What now? Yes. Move here, move there.
Yeah!
What? Move here, move there.
Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. We're moving. Got it. Yes. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Got it. We're moving. Yes. We're moving. Stand clear. Yes.
Yes, sir. What now?
Yes.
Burn! Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Burn!
We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Sir? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. We're moving. Ready. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Got it. Got it. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Make up your mind.
Got it.
Okay.
Move over.
Okay. Yes.
Let's get him.
Yeah. Make up your mind.
We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Took your...
New units received.
What? Move here, move there. Yes, sir. Make up your mind. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.